With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's take the question. The question says that select the incorrect statement about the function of the zinc in organism. So in this question we have asked about the function of the zinc in the organism. Okay, so the first we have given it regulate the alcohol dehydrogenase. Okay, so the alcohol dehydrogenase is the class of the zinc enzyme. Okay, so it is the class of the zinc enzyme. Okay, it means that it belongs to the zinc category. Okay, so it is a correct statement. Now look at the second statement. In the second one we have that it regulates the carbonic anhydrase. Okay, it regulates carbonic anhydrase. So the carbonic anhydrase have the active site for the zinc. Okay, so it has the active site for the zinc ion. So they are classified as a metalloenzyme. So these carbonic anhydrase are the classified as a metalloenzyme due to the presence of the active site for the zinc. Okay, so these are the metalloenzymes, and the enzyme maintain the acid-base balance and help in the transport of the carbon dioxide. Okay, so the function of the enzyme is to maintaining the acid-base balance and then transport of the carbon dioxide. Okay, transport of carbon dioxide, whereas the control of the bicarbonate ions also influence the water content in the ice. Okay, water content in the ice. So this statement is also correct. Now look at the third statement. In the third statement we have that it helps the tryptophan synthesis. Okay, so tryptophan synthesis. So zinc is involved in the tryptophan synthesis. So what is a tryptophan basically? So tryptophan is a key amino acid. Okay, it is a key amino acid that is required by the plant, and for the synthesis of this amino acid the plant require the zinc as a cofactor. Okay, so this is also the correct statement. Now look at the fourth one. In the fourth one they are saying that it protects the plant against the fungal attack. Okay, so zinc are involved pathogen in the pathogen controlling act, but for the oxidation stress. Okay, so it controls the oxidation stress, but there is no evidence to protecting the plant against the fungal attack. So this is the incorrect one. So D option is the correct answer here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.